Hello, today we're going to learn different methods and variants of the A chord. So, first method, here on the second fret, you fret the second, third, and fourth string. Not hard, just lightly. Just enough to touch it. You fret too hard, your strings are going to get out of tune. And this is the chord you don't use from all 6 strings. Just that's the A chord. And an alternative down to the 5th fret. Fret the 2 bottom chord, and then the 3rd bottom with your FU finger, and then in the next, the 7th fret, you fret the 4th and 5th string, and then the top string with your thumb. For more fuller, that is also the A chord. An alternative A chord is go right down to the 9th fret and fret these 2 strings, the bottom and 3rd bottom. You fret the one in between, the 2nd bottom string on the 10th fret, and then on the 11th fret you fret the 5th chord or 4th chord, 3rd from the top, and just strum the bottom 5 chords. That is also the A chord. So that's 3 different methods. Back up here on the 2nd fret, and you just fret the B string and the D string. Okay, that's 3rd from the top and 2nd from the bottom. You press those 2 chords only and strum the 5 chords. That's one method of A7. You fret the middle 2 strings and strum the 3 or the 5 strings. That is A sus2, or those 2 same strings, and you only strum the 3 strings in the middle. That is A5. A minor. You fret the 2nd bottom string on the 1st fret of the fingerboard. Press the next 2 strings up on the 2nd fret, and you strum 5 strings. That's A minor. Lift that finger off and fret the 2nd bottom string on the 3rd fret on the fingerboard. That is A sus4. Alternative A minor chord is down to the fret number 5. Press on the bottom 3 strings. Skip the 6th fret. Fret the A and the D string on number 7, and the top string with your thumb. That is an alternative A minor. You fret if you fret the top string, the number 5 fret here, and skip 2 frets and fret the second bottom or the second top and third top string, and you just strum those top three strings. That is another way of playing A5, or go fret the middle string and the 7th fret and the 3rd from the bottom string on the, press it on the 9th fret, and you just strum those 3 strings here, strings 5, 4, and 3. That is another method of A5. So that's A5. That's A5. This with 3 strings here is another A5, but with those, pressing those same 2 strings in the middle, and you play the 5 strings here. That's not A5 anymore. It's A sus2. A sus2. Fret the second bottom string as well over the 3rd fret on the fingerboard, and play the 5 bottom strings. That's A sus4. Switch fretting the B string to over in the 1st fret on the fingerboard. That's A minor. Again, this is an alternative A minor. This is an alternative A string. Again, top string, 5th fret, next 2 strings under that, over on the 7th fret, and you just play those 3 strings if you want to play that method of A5. Okay, that's all I'm teaching for today. I will see you in the next one, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell.